Today we're going to be looking at apostrophes, and these apostrophes are going to be in possessives. Possessives is something that is owned. So as I'm looking through these sentences, my noun is going to be the possessive, and if you look before or around that word, it's not always before, you'll see who owns that noun. So if I look at the first one, I read, I like Harry's dog. He is so shaggy. My noun that belongs to someone or something is the dog. And down here it says, whose dog? So that's a good hint. And another hint is this picture in the corner. That's the noun that we're going to be working with in these sentences. So I'm going to take my apostrophe and I'm going to put it where it belongs. This one belongs in the word Harry. Harry's dog, because the dog belongs to Harry. So I put the apostrophe before the S. Then down here I'm going to double click on my question mark and I'm going to answer that question. Whose dog is it? It's Harry's. So I'm going to type Harry's. Harry. Then I'm going to put my own apostrophe, which if you look at your keyboard, it's right next to the Enter key. So the next key to the left, and then an S. So I answered that question, whose dog is it? It's Harry's. Now I'm going to go to one of the trickier ones here on the bottom. See if I can find one. Aha. Okay, let's look at this one. Now remember how I said in the beginning of this video that the noun usually comes after the person or thing that owns it? Well, sometimes that's not always the case. So let's look at this sentence. This is a really nice football, but I know the football is Clark's. Now, the noun we're talking about is the football, but here is the word football, and there's the word football. If I look at the word before football, I have the or nice. Now, I know that's not a person or a thing that can own a football, so I have to look a little bit deeper in this sentence. Who owns the football? This is a really nice football, but I know the football is Clark's. Whose football? You got it. It's Clark's. So I'm going to take my apostrophe. I'm going to put it in front of the S on the word Clark's because it belongs to Clark. And then down here, whose football? I'm going to double click on the question mark and I'm going to type out Clark's with my own apostrophe S. Whose football? It's Clark's. Once you've done all your practicing, you're going to do the guitar last. You can turn that into Google Classroom for your teacher to check you.